Sharing on social media. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. Including hundreds of extra templates in various niches. Upgrade now. Only $77. Buy now. BanrKit Ultimate Agency Upgrade. Awesome! You've made a very smart choice, which already puts you leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. Make no mistake, the version of BanrKit Unlimited Upgrade you just purchased is very powerful. It will help you create client designs in minutes and share on social media and websites. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. This ultimate agency upgrade is including hundreds of extra templates in various niches. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. However, we've got a very special limited upgrade for you that will put BanrKit Unlimited Upgrade on steroids. BanrKit Ultimate Agency Upgrade. We want to give a select few of you the opportunity to keep pace with the rapidly changing trends in animated designs, so you can always be one step in front of your competition. The clients who upgraded their license to BanrKit Unlimited Upgrade saw their business growing 3 times faster than ever before by only creating client designs in minutes and sharing them on social media and websites. Here are 3 reasons why you need this upgrade. Reason number 1. Quickly remove backgrounds and animate designs in minutes. With only 3 simple steps, just snip, remove background and animate. Voila! Reason number 2. Embed your design on websites with a single code and make them clickable. Simply copy-paste your embed code. Reason number 3. Add your retargeting pixels. As a professional design agency, you want to be able to retarget views and clicks using Facebook and Google Pixels. Simple, pass 2 pixels in our Pixels module and you're all set. Emojis. 100 static and animated emojis to spice up your designs. Animated emojis. Backgrounds. Select your solid, gradient, or pattern backgrounds or customize your gradients or patterns to your taste. Add your designs. Add any text to your designs, and select your favorite fonts from any of the 300+ choices. 300+ fonts. Create client designs in minutes and share on social media and websites. The clients who upgraded their license to BanrKit Unlimited Upgrade saw their business growing 3 times faster than ever before by only creating client designs in minutes and sharing them on social media and websites. BanrKit Ultimate Agency Upgrade lets you create animated designs quicker and easier with background remover, hundreds of new templates, direct sharing to social media, and embedding your designs on your or your clients' websites. Isn't that amazingly simple? Make your designs clickable by adding a link. And if you want to retarget your click traffic, just add your Facebook or Google Pixel codes to the image. Sharing your designs on social media gets a lot easier with Ultimate Agency. With the Ultimate Agency version, you can share your animated image designs directly, without the hassle of downloading and posting them manually. Upgrade BanrKit Ultimate now only $77. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. 26,412. Happy customers. 15,362. 5-star ratings. 25,462. Projects complete. 30,185. Designed banners. So what are you going to do? Here's your chance to upgrade to BanrKit Unlimited Upgrade, at a fraction of what it's really worth. And you get free updates and support, included. This upgrade is extremely powerful, and not everyone should be granted access. Now only $77. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. Hundreds of more template designs in every niche unlocked for your account. With 700 more templates from BanrKit. Real estate animated image. Real estate. Templates. Photography animated image. Photography. Templates. Food animated image. Food. Templates. Motivational quotes animated image. Motivational quotes. Templates. Generic animated image. Generic. Templates. Lifestyle travel animated image. Lifestyle and travel. Templates. Let's summarize what you're getting. You'll get all of the below. Buy BanrKit Ultimate Agency Upgrade now. Only $77. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. Payment bar. Let's summarize what you're getting. You'll get all of the below. An upgrade that will help you grow your business even faster. Speed up your design work with Magic Background Remover. Add links to your designs with the image linker. Sharing directly on Facebook feed, pages, groups and Twitter platforms. Analyze your animated image campaigns with the split testing module. In-depth analysis of traffic generated by views, clicks, center, referral source. Free access to launch your 6-figure product in 30 days training. 30-day money-back guarantee. Get access to 1,700 plus high attention-grabbing templates in different niches. Safeguard your designs with Dropbox integration and share Dropbox links. Add pixels to your designs with the Pixel module. Direct embed code for websites. Buy with confidence. There is no risk whatsoever. Money back. 30-day money back guarantee. If you have any trouble using BanrKit and we fail to help you resolve the issue, or if you have not been able to generate any results, we'll give you 100% of your money back. We don't offer a no questions asked refund, so please provide a genuine reason and proof that you did everything we told you before asking for a refund. Please read the sales page carefully before making a purchase. Results vary for various niches and depend on various factors, so they cannot be guaranteed to be the same as ours on this page. We do not promise that you are guaranteed to make money from this software. Buy BanrKit Ultimate Agency Upgrade now. Only $77. BanrKit Ultimate Upgrade. Payment bar.